Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video, my hair is super annoying, but we're just going to ignore that. I created this super fresh, easy, quick, natural, daily kind of makeup look, and I've used some amazing products from LookFantastic.com. If you don't want to miss out on really nice items that I've ordered and chose myself, then you're probably missing out. So thank you, LookFantastic, for sponsoring this video, and we'll jump right in 3 and 2 and 1. So it's 7:30 in the morning and I'm really excited to, even though I'm not like a morning person, I'm still super excited to film this video. If I have a cracky voice, sorry, it always happens in the morning. Ahmed is still asleep, so I kind of have to use to talking quite loud while he's still asleep. But hey, what's more important? You know. So today's video, I'm super excited because this video is sponsored by LookFantastic.com, and I don't know, like, I love this website, and I always find it awkward when it's sponsored, and I think I've mentioned it before because I think people are going to think twice if you're genuine, yes or no. But this website is fantastic. It is called lookfantastic.com. I have some fresh goodies. Some of them I already took out of the packaging, but they have amazing brands. So, you know, sometimes when you go on a website and they don't really have, like, let's say you're looking for Too Faced, they don't have Natasha Denona. When you want to have Natasha Denona and Too Faced, they don't have Yves Saint Laurent or like Laura Mercier. And with this website, I felt like I could find everything I wanted. So I've ordered some stuff. Some of them I already know. Some of them I've never tried but read amazing things. So let's start. As you guys can see, I did my brows, applied a little bit of concealer, and I've ordered this one. This is Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, Illuminating and Natural Radiance. I've read so many amazing things about this, and since my skin is doing pretty okay, I spot a pimple, by the way, this morning, but other than that, it's doing pretty, knock on wood, pretty okay. So I thought, you know what, I think I can use a tinted moisturizer. So even though you can definitely wear this on your own, today I'm going to use it for my base because I still have 2 other exciting foundations, because you guys know I'm all about that base, I'm in a good mood today. Do you guys notice? Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. It looks really illuminating already. I don't know if this color is okay, but since this is very sheer, I think it's going to look really good. Oh, that is so satisfying to watch. Oh my gosh, this feels so incredibly soft. Okay, so if you guys are wondering why I have a bit of discoloration on my face, I've used a you know, like face tan drops that you have to mix with your moisturizer. So that's why some parts are like this and like that, a bit more tanned. This looks and feels, oh my god, amazing. This feels like I'm wearing a very nice moisturizer. Maybe it's like a little too glowy, but I would go in with a less heavy moisturizer. Yeah, this Natural Skin Perfector, I think this is amazing. Also, if you're a bit more mature and you're looking for something that is going to give you that bit of glow, a little bit of coverage, yeah, this is really amazing. Obviously, I still need to wear it for a longer time, but so far, love it. Next, I have YSL. Yves Saint Laurent. It just feels so weird saying it because I'm not French, but if you don't pronounce it as it is weird as well. So let's just say YSL. So I have this All Hours foundation, and this is in the shade B60 in amber. Usually amber, it's with kind of like a reddish undertone. So I'm not sure if I picked up the right color, but it looks really nice and yellow on the website. So even though I think this is going to be a bit lighter, I'm going to focus on the center of my face because that is where I want the most coverage. And also, I don't really mind if I'm a bit lighter in the center. So this foundation, I saw Jamie Genevieve using this. You guys know I love her. And if she recommends something, I want to have it. Yeah, it's a bit lighter, but nothing too crazy. So if I wouldn't have this fake tan, I think it will look really good. Okay, now I'm just going to press this into the skin. Let me grab a mirror because I want to have a good close-up of this foundation. It has more like a neutral undertone, which I don't really mind because I'm not extremely yellow. That is a perfect match. Wow, really didn't expect that. Oh my god, do you guys see how incredibly beautiful this foundation is? See, that's why I love DJ. Wow. Loving it. Yes, really loving it. I also ordered another foundation because trying out new stuff for my base is my favorite thing to do. So this is a foundation that I already know. It's one of my fave, Luminous Silk from Armani. Every time I use this in my YouTube videos, I always get the question, where can you buy it? And I've seen some websites where you can buy it, but it's not like necessarily like beauty websites. And I think sometimes it could be like a waste of your money, because if you add something more to your basket, maybe you'll have like free shipping, maybe you have like a sale going on, and if it's not like a beauty website, I feel like you're kind of missing out. So yeah, on lookfantastic.com you also have Luminous Silk foundations, and I've ordered shade 6.25 because this is a bit more of a yellow undertone, by the way, not too yellow. I also have a 7.5, which is my favorite color, but unfortunately I'm not always that color. I want to be, but you know, no, 6.25 is better. I wanted to use this one today, but I had no idea that this one from Yves Saint Laurent was going to be so full coverage. And I don't know, I don't feel like I used that much on my face. I applied it mostly in the center, and I feel like I'm good to go. Next, I already took it out of the packaging. We have NARS concealers. I don't know what kind of beauty lover I am if I never used the NARS creamy concealer. I never really thought about it too much. I have so many concealers. And then I read and heard that Makeup Ariel is using these two concealers on Kylie, these exact shades. And she, like, her under eye looks always so bright with a slightly pinky undertone, and I'm obsessed with it. So take notes. NARS creamy concealer in the shades Honey and Ginger. So he mixes these two, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I think the pinky one is going to give like a very fresh under eye area, while it's also going to cover discoloration. And I have, you can't really see it on camera, but I have really dark circles lately, so I'm going to try to cover them. Oh wow. Okay. Unreal. It looks real. It looks unreal, but it looks real. Okay, so now I'm going to contour, cream contour, with Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is also available on their website. This is in shade Mocha. Now I'm going to bake with Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm kind of like re-loving it again, because if you bake with this, like especially around here, it is so natural and it doesn't leave like a whitish, very light kind of stain on your face. I'm going to keep the eyes super simple. I'm going to use some bronzer from MAC. This is in shade Dark Deep, and then probably apply very natural lashes, and then I'll be right back.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us dry, staying up till 7, still on a buzz.
After I applied mascara and lashes, I also baked underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to get rid of the baking right here. That looks really, really good and natural. So I'm going to put a little bit of that MAC bronzer on my lower lash line. So I'm going to get rid of all of this. Another thing that I have, and I've actually used these but never in this color, this is Pink Quartz, and this is the shimmer brick from Bobbi Brown. I think this looks amazing. I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well as my cheekbones with this. I'm just going to mix all the colors. Apply it right here. Wow, that is like the perfect glow from within. Wow, love it. Especially if I'm going for like an everyday look, I don't want to have that Instagram highlight. We're going to add some blush. For lips, I have my favorite lip liner. This is MAC in the shade Cork, which is, I think, the perfect brown liner. And then on my lips, I'm going to use this NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick in Intriguing. My hair is too soft. Do you guys know, like, when it's too soft, like you can't do anything with it? That's where I'm at right now. Okay, we're just going to ignore the hair part, but this is it for the makeup. I think it's natural, it's glam, it's fresh looking. Really, really impressed with the foundations. They are amazing. Like the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer one's completely the opposite when you compare it to All Hours from YSL. I really love them both, and both combined, they are... So make sure to check out LookFantastic.com. And I think with Black Friday, they have some very interesting deals. Since I now know that they have these amazing brands, I'm definitely going to check them out more often. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I need some coffee. Oh no. Who sung that song? I don't know what that song.